All right, YouTube, we're live. Not live, but live recording. So let's see what happens today. Shit. See. Market open. Alright. See if you want to manipulate higher and then continue down. It's not really high. I don't know why I had that fucking marked. 6 a.m. This new update on the phones, dude, is so different. I still don't even know how to use it. See if we form an SMT off this low, if we want to continue lower. See if we just want to go on a downtrend all day. Now it'd be dope if we could just freaking come up, retrace to this 5 minute. Show selling fresh shadow in the 1 minute, target all these lows. That'd be nice. That'd be cool. Continue lower. Let's see. I have the chat cut off, guys, like usual. See if we form a 5 minute SMT here, that would make us come into that 5 minute fair value gap and then look for selling pressure out of it. If I would want to be bullish, I'd want to see at least that 5 minute bearish get inversed off the sweep. But it looks like we're going to form a 5 minute SMT as of now. We're still at minute 30. If we don't form this 5 minute S&T, we're going to keep dumping down. Let's see. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Probably going to continue lower. But again, I'd like us to come at least into that 5 minute. I want to get my confirmations. I'd rather miss out on it instead of just going in right now. Looks like we're going to continue lower as of now. US took London lows. Let's see if we can get a little reaction up off of here to get into that 5 minute fair value gap. Create equal lows on ES would be nice. We'll just see if we want to continue down. We'll see. Come on, give us that retrace. Give us a little retrace up. Give us a nice setup. Be nice for us today. Don't keep dumping. Don't keep dumping. No, you're gonna keep dumping, aren't you? Just gonna keep dumping. Today might be another no trading day for me. Yep. Let's see. Just dump him. Damn, bruh. Yeah, for real, Zach. Just gonna stay patient here, guys, because we're just dumping. I want to see my confirmations instead of chasing price. Sometimes price just goes without you. Nothing you could do about it. Let me take those lows out. Can you give us like a nice retracement? Is that too much to ask for? I want to enter there actually, dude. I think I might. 9-point stop. I don't know if that's going to be a rush trade though. Just want to fill in that 5 minute a little bit more. I'm about to create a 15. I don't know. I'm gonna cut the chat. Let's see. I'm gonna form that 15-minute. We want to retrace a little bit higher is the question. The 15-minute is about to form. I'm not in this trade yet, guys. Alright, we inverse that 1 minute, right? We broke strokes to the upside, okay? So let's see. We did create that 15-minute, didn't we? Minute bearish fair value gap right here. Come into this 5 minute. We break strokes to the upside in the 1 minute. Yeah, we did. I'd like to see at least a break strokes to the downside. Yes, looks like it wants to continue lower. I want to see. Where's 5 minute equilibrium? Right here in that 15 minute. This is like that one setup where we had the 15-minute and the 5-minute. I made a trade recap on this before. Usually I want price to trail into that 15-minute first. But we might want to continue down here. Yeah, I don't like that reaction right there. Yeah, no, I'm going to stay patient right now. I'm going to stay patient. Ideal setup would be to come to that 15-minute fair value gap. That would be the ideal. But let's see if we get it. See if we could get that. There we go. Wow. I would have been stopped out on that trade that I would have taken. I didn't take that trade. Oops. Where's equilibrium here? See if we can come in a 5-minute equilibrium while filling in this 15-minute fair value gap. I would like ES to come up into the 15-minute fair value gap, and then NASDAQ to come to the 15-minute fair value gap, and then ES showing us that if we can react off the 5-minute, it's in now. Forbit S&T. Let's see. And then continue lower, which would be nice. Wouldn't want to be bullish until we inverse that 15-minute fair value gap. And I just feel like that's such more of a stretch to come down here when we have all these draws down below. Alright, ES inverse this 5-minute. NASDAQ inverse the 5-minute. ES didn't yet. I'd like to see ES stay in this 5-minute. NASDAQ come and fill that 15-minute. I'm not worried about that right now. Coming back into this. We didn't inverse that 1-minute bullish yet. I'd like to continue a little higher. I'd like to continue a little bit higher here. It's been 300 in Jamaica. And we inverse that. But again, I don't want to be faked out here yet. I'm not just going to enter off the inverse yet. I think we have the potential to continue up a little higher. Yes, inverse it. No, didn't. I want to see if we want to take. I want to see if we want to take out all this liquidity right here. Do one more sweep. Take out all these draws. We got this high already got taken out, so take out this high, and this high. That's what I would like to see happen. And then generate all this liquidity here and then dump. I don't know if anybody's in yet. Is anybody in? Okay, this is bad, bro. We're getting fair values, yeah. Guys, remember that giveaway things up in the chat. You got a good amount of people in today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, basically. I want to see NQ come into that 15-minute fair value gap a little bit more and at least take out these draws. The price could want to just continue down from here, but I'd at least want to see break of structures to the downside and then fair value gap fill or something. Even if we did break, what would this be? I would like my stop above these highs, a 50-point stop. Yikes. I want a better entry than that. I'd rather miss out. Did we form equal highs right here? No. We did form a 5-minute high. Come on, one more sweep and then continue lower. We keep failing to break to the downside. That's just making me think we want to have one more sweep and fill in this 15-minute fair value gap a little bit more. Just an inverse fair value gap's not making me confident enough. I'd like to at least see this get swept, this new 5-minute high. I'm gonna mark it out. news come out bullish or something. Good for currency. Yeah, I could have pushed this up a little bit. News drop. Is it at 10? Still failed to break structure to the downside. Sitting on my hands right now, guys. I don't want to take anything, rush into it. Rather miss out. Alright, we're about to form a... No, we're not about to form an SMT, 15-minute SMT, never mind. But we did form a 15-minute low. Which I want to see get taken now, but... I just want to see if we want to take out all this right here. That's what I would like to get taken. People typing. Zach went in shorts. Where's your stop? Above these highs, Zach? Peace out, Java, man. We'll see. Don't lose confidence yet. I'm going to cut the chat for a little bit more, guys. Just want to lock in and focus on this. For me to be bullish, I would want that 15-minute inverse fair value gap. Yeah, we came out and swept out a bunch of lows, but again, we have a 15-minute fair value gap protecting us. And these draws are so high up. My main draws that I wanted this morning. My bias was totally wrong. But again, I would want to see at least that 15-minute get inversed. And I don't know. I think We'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna stay patient and see what happens. If we don't get what I want, we don't get what I want. NASDAQ came up. I mean, ES came up to equilibrium in these 5-minute highs. Let's see if we want to form an SMT off of here and continue lower. This could be a spot where we could continue lower. ES came up, took these highs. These 5-minute highs. What I would like to see off that's a 1-minute SMT and then a break of structure to the downside. I'm not just going to enter off the SMT, but we formed a bullish fair value gap right here. So let's see. Which would be interesting. What would this be? Off an inverse in 1-minute SMT, I'd probably put my stop, a 34-point stop. Continue lower. Alright, this is interesting. Alright, we formed a 1-minute SMT and an inverse fair value gap too. We're retesting it right now, the inverse. We formed a 1-minute SMT. Again, I want more confirmation. Let's see what we get. Still sticking with my overall game plan if we want to take out all these highs first. But again, if this trade entry presents itself, I'll put my stop a little bit higher than all these in case it does want to come back up. But again, I'm not just going to enter off of an inverse yet. I want to see at least a break of structure to the downside too. We did form a 1-minute SMT. We inversed, but we came back above it. Let's see. $37-point stop at the moment. Let's see, this is interesting right here. What would that be? $222 risk. Formed the 1-minute SMT. We came up and took those 5-minute highs on. Let's see if we get a break here. Oof. 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 We did get a break on NASDAQ. We did get a break on NASDAQ. I could see this continuing lower here. I could see it continuing lower. Be a 37-point stop. I want ES to break structure too. Kind of want to enter here. I think I'm going to enter. I entered half right now. I want my stop above these highs. Where would my stop be? 24863. 24863. 1, 2. I want to see if we want one more sweep. We broke structure on ES also. So 1-minute SMT, 1-minute inverse fair value gap, 1-minute break of structure to the downside after ES came up and swept these highs. Let's see if we can form a 5-minute SMT also. But what I want to see is if we end up forming a 1-minute fair value gap, I'll enter my full position size. I just want to see if we want to have that one more sweep. before I enter full position. NASDAQ's currently the leading index from the 1 minute standpoint. I want to see if we can form this 5 minute SMT. If we form this 5 minute SMT, it's going to give me more confidence to the downside. We got 1 minute and 52 seconds left. We form that 5 minute SMT, I'm going to enter my full position size. Got 1 minute left. What's my stop at? 63.25. 37-point stop. $30 seconds left. $13 seconds. Form this 5 minute SMT. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. NASDAQ formed a high and a lower high. ES formed a high and a higher high. All right. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. I'm only in 2 micros right now. Did form a 5 minute SMT, 1 minute break of structure. I want to see an extra confirmation to enter my full position size. All right, I like that reaction off equilibrium. I entered in 1 more position size, so I'm in 3 micros. That's going to be all I'm going to enter on this trade. First TP and break even. Well, the first TP and break even will probably be these lows down here. I could see this continuing lower. 5 minute SMT. We came up, swept those highs. I'd like to see it flush through here. Again, I think these highs are going to be protected. Worst case, I think we could come up and maybe do 1 more sweep. That's why I have my stop loss all the way up here. 62.50. I don't know. This looks like a clean setup to me personally. I would like for price just to continue down here. But even if we lose this trade, I like the setup regardless. I think this is a nice setup. So, we'll see. We'll let her do its thing. And then, yeah, that's all we could do, right? That's all we could do. Is anybody else in this trade? Zach, you still in? Alright, dope. Wing Wong is looking good though. We'll see. I don't know, I think it's, if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. I think this is a good setup. 5-minute SMT at the high. ES came out, but ES is now continuing higher. Nasdaq's the leading index. Broke structure on the 1-minute time frame, came back in equilibrium, got selling pressure out of it. I think we could dump. We came into the 15-minute fair value gap and 5-minute equilibrium, unless we want one more sweep higher, which could happen. But again, if we lose this trade, I'm not going to be too upset with it. For some reason, I have confidence in this trade. But I would like to start seeing some flush movement down instead of this chop shit, you know? Is these lows. But again, I don't know. We'll see. There's only two answers, right or wrong. Right or wrong. Hopefully we're right. Hopefully we are right. This chop shit, dog. I hate this chop shit. Can we just get clean price action to the downside? Is that like not okay to do? How much am I risking right now? 18. I'm risking 258 on this trade. Interesting. I'm holding this bitch. For some reason, my testicles are telling me, hold this trade. For some reason. Get those good vibes going, Wing Wong. We need this motherfucker. We need flush movement down now from here. I don't want to sweep this low and then continue higher. I want flush movement down here. Unless we pull some shit like the other day. Unless we pull some shit like the other day. I want flush movement here. I had my first TP at that 15-minute low. Right here. Alright, moving my stop down a little bit to reduce my loss down to here. If we want to continue down now, we gotta. This is where it's gonna happen. So if we reverse here, then the price action's gay. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to form a 5-minute SMT at these lows. Did we take it out? Yes, we did. Okay. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go, dude. No, let's don't pull some shit here. Let's don't pull some shit here. Let's don't pull some shit here. No reverse shit. NQ. I need my flush movement. I need my flush movement. Did we get lower than this low? We did. Okay. We can't form a 5-minute SMT. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. Let's go. Get my first TP. If you inverse this 1-minute bearish fair value gap, I'm going to karate chop you in the fucking throat. That's all I'm going to say. I swear if that was a manipulation lower. I swear if that was a manipulation lower, I'm going to get furious. Oh my god, dude. This can't happen twice in a row. Or back at break even. You better get selling pressure out of there, dude. I'm gonna be pissed. We were up $1,000. Let's see if it stops out the people who went break even. This price action lately is just, again, I don't want to blame price action, but fuck. Oh my god. Was that a manipulation leg lower, dog? We inversed it. Was that really a manipulation leg lower? September, dog. September, dog. September, dog. Let's see if it was a seek and destroy. It's 10:37. Let's see if that was a seek and destroy. Let's see if it was a seek and destroy. See if it wanted to stop people out of break even or if we're gonna lose this fucker. I want to see this inverse 1 minute. I don't want to see us respect it. That stopped at break even. Zach got stopped. It's making me want to fucking go to break even too right now, dude. And be honest with you. Yeah, I'm trying to test my nuts right now, Wing Wong. I'm trying to hold firm. I'm holding firm with you. This fucking price action's dookie dog water butt. Dookie dog water poop. Come on, trader gods. Give us the banger we need. Give us the banger we need. I want flush movement downward. It's filling in this bullish fair value gap more. Let's see if she wants to inverse it or not. Or if she wants to respect it and continue higher. This is what's going to make us or break us. This is what's going to make us or break us. This is where we gotta learn to control our emotions and let the trade run. Either we get stopped out or not. Only two fucking options. Oh, what's that candle? If we break below this low, guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss down even more to preserve more capital. Oh my god. Why can't we get a candle like that to the downside, dog? We're retesting that inverse. See if more orders get filled here. What's dog shit? The price? I know. I know. It just hasn't been clean. Like, it's like just like stressful chop, dog. And what I don't like is when you break that fucking low, dude. I want to hold this trade. That's crazy. It's crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy. This is crazy shit, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy shit, dog. It's not looking good right now. This is crazy shit, dog. Let's see if it wants to stop one more group out of break evens. Unless this is our fate here, but yeah, this is crazy to me. Broke structure back to the upside. So September, bro, it's been fucking me in the anus. Please just sweep these highs, dog. Like, come on, man. There's no way. Come on. Sweep these highs for me, bro. Sweep these highs and continue lower. Yeah, I moved it above these highs here. Wing long. ES just came back up, and I want to see if we can form a 5-minute S&T here. If we do, it'd be nice, but we'll see. I just can't believe I keep getting stuck in this chop shit, dog. I'm hoping this is a sweep here and now we deliver. But that's gonna be tested right now. This is the move where I'm gonna see he's gonna make us or break us. If ES wanted to come up and sweep these highs one more time, but let's see if we react heavy to the upside off of here. We're about to hit VWAP, so let's see. Still have 4 minutes till this candle closure too, so let's see if we want to just deliver bullish here off of this. We just hit VWAP, so I'm back at break even right now. We need sellers to step in here. Yeah, fuck. I don't like that reaction, dude. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped. I don't like that reaction at all, dude. I really don't. Really don't. Watch us deliver here up to the upside. Yes, just feeling that 15-minute. I should keep my stop up here, dude. Come on, dude. Deliver for us. Really testing my patience right now. Deliver for us right here. Form that 5-minute S&T for me, please. 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 Minute left. Please deliver here, dude. Please deliver here, dog. Don't you dare push up again. Please deliver. Please deliver here. 50 seconds, Wing Wong. 50 seconds. Give me what I want. Thirty seconds. Deliver. 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 Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we formed a 5-minute S&T. ES formed a high and a higher high. NASDAQ formed a high and a lower high. If we're gonna run through right now, this is the fucking time. Like, this is the time. This is the time. I got my first take profit at 86. Right here, I have a partial at 86. This is the time where we need to fucking deliver, right here. This is the time. Oh shit, did I cut my screen? My bad. Shit. This is where we need to fucking deliver. $1.25. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Let's go. I'm holding you. Break even at these lows, dude. Go, 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 go. We can't wait this long. This is the time. This is the time. Don't you dare. This is the time. This is the fucking time. Sellers, step in, dog. Go. All right, I'm taking a partial right there. I took a partial and I'm moving my stop down. to above this high. I'm taking a partial there. I want these lows though, dude. Holy delivery off that. Wow. What's 72 at? What's that? Oh, fuck. What's that risk to reward right now? It's a 1 to 2. I want to deliver off this fair value gap right here. This is what needs to flush us through right now. This is where the flush movement should be, and if we're going to continue down here, this is where we're going to continue down. I want to keep an eye on this low, though, as we can form a 5-minute S&T back off this low. But do we have equal lows on fucking NASDAQ? Oh my God, we did. I'm an ES. We have equal lows on ES. We have equal lows on ES. Right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I want to see those get ran through. I want to see those get ran through. Equal lows on ES. NASDAQ's the leading index too. All right, let's see if we want to form a 5-minute SMT off these lows, right? We just got that candle closure. If we form a 5-minute SMT, well, I'm probably going to be out. But again, I'm going to still let this run. My stops are above this high. So it's still a risk-free trade, whether we get stopped out or not. But this is looking like it might want to continue back up real quick. But again, this 1-minute fair value gap should protect us. We did create equal lows on ES. And a 5-minute bearish fair value gap right here that we're coming into now. So let's see if we formed a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Yep, we did. We formed a 5-minute bearish fair value gap on ES, on NASDAQ also. Right now it's looking like the odds are in our favor, knock on wood. But again, I'm liking the way it's looking now. We should be moving flush through this right now. But we have a 5-minute fair value gap protecting us on both indexes, which I like. So if we don't form that 5-minute S&T at the low, dog, we're going to flush through. And then we'll continue this downtrend. 2 minutes to this candle closure. It's risk free right now, so we're chilling. See if we're going to form that 5-minute S&T at the low. Minute and 20 left. If we don't form this 5-minute S&T, we're going to flush through. I believe. Could be wrong though. And we have equal lows on ES. ES took those equal lows. Let's look at the 5-minute, closes in 14 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No 5-minute S&T formed at the lows. I want to deliver here. Took those equal lows on ES. Gotta at least take out these lows, I would think. Come on, VWAP. Let's tag it and run. Let's tag it and run. Let's tag it and run. Still got this 5-minute protecting us. Let's see if we inverse it or not. Right. This should be a protected high though. Let's see if we can get that flush move. Just hit VWAP, so let's see. It's a nail biter. It's a nail biter. It's definitely a nail biter. Regardless, we made $60 per account, so we're up $660. just some crazy shit, dog. Duty. I moved my other stop down to this low right here. Right here at 84. Just because this has been a long trade, dude. But I'll have one runner to see how far we can let that bitch burn. She's testing my nuts right now. Take me out! Take me out! So I can go to break even. Oh shit, sorry Nobi. Appreciate it though, homie. This price action's been shit, dog. I ain't gonna lie, but... You'd think we'd just flush through here. Let's go, dog. There we go. There we go. Alright. Holy shit. Fuck, man. Really fucking with me today. Really fucking with me today. Alright, we might want to fucking just sweep this dude. Let's see if we want to continue down here. I might just take it all. Let me show his candle closure. Such is bearish. Let's see if we can continue lower. Alright, I'm all out here, guys. I'm all out. I'm not fucking around with this shit right now. I'm all out here right now. We could probably continue lower, but I'm not fucking with this shit anymore. I held it long enough. What did we hit regardless? We hit a 1 to 1.59 with our original stop. But I'm not fucking with this shit. I'm not fucking with this shit right now. I'm out. I'm out. Well, I trusted that trade. Trusted that bitch. Can't say we didn't. Cannot say we didn't. I just think we're at Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, $188 per account. I like that. Got that loss back from this week. Yeah, I just didn't like how we weren't delivering like I wanted us to. Ming Wang, you still holding? Knowing you probably are. You got balls of steel, kid. But look at this shit. This is where I want my original TP to be. And it's probably going to continue lower there, honestly. So. Wing Wang, you still in? Yeah, that's what I did too, Wing Wang. Yes, he's about to take this 15-minute low also. This could be a potential spot to reverse even early for a value gap above too. Yeah. That's why we trust our own trade. A couple people were calling it shit. That's why we trust our trade. YouTube, we hit a trade, not the best, not the biggest, but from our original stop loss, it was a 1 to 1.53. Still made more than we were risking. Originally, I did have my stop up here, but I moved it down to here. This is where it would have really been. But again, I think I managed it right. I'd really like it to come down here, but I don't think it's worth the stress. We still hit a... I think we took profit at... Our final take profits were at 84. So we still hit a 35-point trade. Nothing crazy. But it looks like it's going to keep continuing lower. But again, this is a spot where we can reverse. And my balls are not willing to hold that right now. Yeah. I don't know, Zach. I just noticed like when it goes break even, especially around 10:30, sometimes it seeks and destroys, and that's what it did. And then it wanted to take out some highs and ended up dumping and forming that 5-minute SMT that I wanted to form. Thank God it did. And didn't come up even more. But again, we're very bearish right now. So I think I'm fine with what I did today. Like that. So that's the overall trade. I did get my panties in a bunch though. But all right, peace out, YouTube. Full video. We can't tell. Fuck. We film it live. So for all the people who talk shit and say we don't take our trades and shit, I don't even care if I was on an eval account. We're still hitting trades. So, but we're not on an eval. So peace out.